Explain the nature of thermogram of calcium oxalate monohydrate. Thermogravimetry is the technique in which change in the weight is recorded as the function of temperature or time. The phenomena is used for qualitative as well as quantitative analysis. Calcium oxalate monohydrate, when heated, it starts losing its weight from 100 degrees Celsius. This loss is due to the loss of the water molecule, which continues up to 226 degrees Celsius. After that, anhydrous calcium oxalate is formed, which is stable up to 346 degrees Celsius. But from 346 degrees Celsius, this molecule also breaks into calcium carbonate and carbon monoxide is liberated out. So again, it starts losing the weight. This loss continues till 420 degrees Celsius. Later on, calcium carbonate starts decomposing into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide at around 660 degrees Celsius, which continues till 840 degrees, and finally calcium oxides remains stable at this high temperature. So the graph shown here is the final nature of the thermogram of calcium oxalate monohydrate at different temperatures. If you like this video, please click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel.